I'm so excited to be here. I can't wait to see everybody. Just get back in touch with everybody here at Unity.
Whoa, 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 whoa. John, it is so good to see you. But first, why don't you check in with an usher?
Oh, wow. I didn't know.
It's okay.
Don't be like John.
Hey, John, did you remember to bring your mask?
Oh, I think it's in the car.
Don't be like John.
Oh, it is. Okay, well, you know what? Can you go grab it? Otherwise, we do have some available here because we have an entire team of people who have been making masks for people to wear. And they say wearing a mask is just one way to watch out for your neighbor.
Oh, wow. Well, I want to do that. I'll go get my mask. Okay, this time I've got my mask. Now where do I go?
Well, that's great. You have your chair because, this is an outdoor service and everyone brings their own chairs.
Oh, that's right. It's still in the car. I'll go get it.
Don't be like John.
All set.
Right, perfect. So you've got your own communion elements too, right? Like some kind of wine or grape juice and like a bread or a cracker or something like that.
Barb told me I should bring that.
Don't be like John.
And I did. I'll go get it. All conveniently packaged in one place. I'm ready.
Well, wait a minute, John. It's looking a little bit like rain. Did you happen to bring your umbrella?
Oh yeah, it's in the car. I'll be right back.
Don't be like John.
Got my umbrella, but Nancy, there's not like a cloud in the sky. Well, at least I wore quick dry shorts. Okay, I think I've got everything. Now what do I do?
Hi, John. Welcome to worship. You want to make your way over to cone number 5 and then wear your mask while you're walking, and then we'll have worship starting in just a few minutes.
The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord's face shine on you with grace and mercy. The Lord look upon you with favor and give you peace.
Amen. That was a really awesome worship service. Oh, but wow, Muriel, there's just a lot of stuff to remember.
That's true, but you know what? Our top priority is to keep people safe. So that means you and your friends, your family, all of us, your faith family, we want to do everything we can to keep this pandemic from spreading.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense. So, are there other guidelines I should know about?
That's a really good question. Well, we have no paper bulletins, and we won't pass around an offering plate. That's so we can know we're not spreading the virus by touching any of the same surfaces. There will be a bulletin online, so if you wanted to, you could pull it up on your phone. If you wanted to follow along with the scripture, you could actually bring your own Bible with you to church. What an idea. And this one's really a bummer, but no congregational singing.
Oh, Muriel, I love to sing.
I know, so do we. But we know that this virus is spread through air droplets, and that's what happens when we sing. We will, however, have a really awesome song leader who will be singing from a safe distance so we can enjoy the music that way.
Good.
And this one's also a bummer, but we're gonna really ask kids to stay close to their family, and we're gonna keep the playground off limits for now.
That all sounds really good, Muriel. But, hey, Muriel, what happens if I have to go to the bathroom?
Oh, that's a really good question, John. Actually, the restrooms will be open and accessible on the north side of the building. We're gonna sanitize them before and in between all the services. But you know how like when you were a kid and your parents would say, hey, before we leave, why don't you go use it? This would be a good time to do that too.
I'll try and remember that. Wow, I think you've thought of like everything. That's really cool how you're watching out for anybody who comes to these services. So the next time I come, let's see, there are 4 things I have to remember. I have to remember to bring my mask, bring my own communion, something to sit in, and I should bring whatever I need for what the weather is. Then, when I get here, I should wait for an usher's instructions. I should make sure I sit in my assigned area, and when I leave, I should leave plenty of space for the Spirit and for everybody else.
Yep, that sounds perfect, John. Well done.
Yes, be like John.
And you know what? For anybody who's not comfortable yet worshiping in person, we totally get that too. We're going to keep doing all of our online services, so you can also watch from the comfort and safety of your own home. And as always, you can check our website or call the church anytime for updates on worship times, locations, and other news.
See you in church.